You need to have 7 domains to attain your complete drug-free, healthy, integral personality. Like number one, you must be physically fit, shariraka, physically fit. Number two, physiologically fit, your pharmacy, gastric potentiality, Jataragni, Jataragni, gastric potentiality, combustion in the stomach, fire, fire. Okay, physiologically fit. I repeat once again, physically fit, physiologically fit, psychologically fit. Psychology means what? Manasika, brain network, neurons, chitta, not mind. Mind is buddhi. Mind is buddhi. Psychology means chitta. Yoga chitta vritti nirodha. What Patanjali says, yoga chitta vritti nirodha. Chitta vritti means psychological potentials must be maintained in balance, not that easy. So physically fit, physiologically fit, psychologically fit, and technologically fit. Here problem begins. Patanjali never used cell phone. Patanjali never used computers. They were not aware. So technological fit means when you use any technology, the entire human life is technology dependent now, directly or indirectly. Even pharmacy, technology. Okay. So technological fit means, for example, using cell phone. Using cell phone also matters a lot. Handling cell phone, very important. Cell phone should not touch the ears. Number two, while driving should not use cell phone, and while lying on the bed should not use. So these are, because even computers, sitting before the computer, never keep laptop on the thighs, on the legs. No, without a pad underneath. Why? The radiation effect of laptop or computer will spoil genital organs. Genital organs, which spoil the very reproductive system, which spoils the reproductive system. What we call after Mooladhara Chakra, Swadhisthana Chakra lost, and Manipura Chakra, Nabhi also lost. So the action reaction equal opposite. So physiologically fit, technologically fit, driving vehicle, drive properly. And for cell phone users, dear children, take a promise on your birthday with your mummy and father. Take the blessing of your mother, touching her feet. Mummy, bless me, all the best. Your mother first. Father, then the friends. Mother first. Mother is first, mother is last. Make your parents happy. By remaining healthy, man. We are not interested in your rank. No. If you ask honestly, rank you get it, what is there? But we are interested in health and fitness. Fitness, oneness, happiness. When you are fit well, you can make others fit well. When you are unfit, misfit, you also make others unfit, misfit, danger. So, technological fitness. How to talk on cell phone? Very simple. Hello, who is this? Hello, who is this? What is the matter? Hello, who is this? What's the matter? Boy, enough. First priority, talk to your parents. Next, your students, teachers. Third, friends. Fourth, dunya. This is the priority. Prioritize using cell phone. Excess use of cell phone causing rhythm problem, cycle problem, period problem, PCOD problem, polycystic ovary problems. Listen to me. As a therapist, I am talking to you. You are our children. You are our proud children. You are our students. We treat you affectionately. You must be healthy. You must be proud parts of Reddy College by remaining healthy, getting ranks, or getting jobs. Job cannot be a problem. Okay. So technological fitness, anything technology, we should not spoil your health. Even using cell phone every day, Going home, clean with 2 drops of alcohol-based sanitizer. 2 drops. Dip a small white cloth, any cloth, 1 or 2 drops of alcohol-based sanitizer, preferably Government of Telangana. Better I tell you, government hospitals you can trust, private hospitals no. I tell you nice sentence. Government hospitals have cure, may not be care. Private hospitals they may have care but no cure. Prefer government hospitals, government doctors now. As Healthy Minister Mr. Rajendra says, yes, we believe it has come to control. Fine. So cell phone also must be clean. Only 1 or 2 drops, not much. The screen will be spoiled. Over. Next. So technological fitness. Next comes spiritual fitness. Adhyatmika. Technological Sanketika. Physical Sharirika. Psychological Manasika. So you believe in your God. Any God can do. Any symbol can do. Any color can do. Even without a symbol and color, you can pray for God in silence. What Sri Aurobindo says, absolute silence gives absolute power. When 2 children fight, what does teacher do? Keep quiet, silence, silence. When they stop crying and shouting, then teacher begins in silence. Silence matters. Silence speaks volumes of excellence. Silence. Nishabda dhyana. Antarmauna dhyana. Antarmadanam. No, it's not dhyana. Bhava dhyana, nirguna dhyana, saguna dhyana. Dhyana means meditation. So, meditation orders disorder. Follow one method of meditation. Do not get confused. Go for simple meditation since you are young children. Don't get confused. You adopt your yoga master. You find out your yoga expert whom you believe totally. Expert yoga, Guru Mukhata is better for you. Not reading, no please. And not the reading books outside and CDs other. No. With the help of yoga master. Fine. So I'm coming to Sapta Yoga fitness. Physically fit, physiologically fit, psychologically fit, technologically fit, spiritualogically fit. Going to temple, mosque and mandir. Any God can do. All names of God one. God is only one. The power, Shakti, we call it. Force, energy, Shakti, we call it. Atheists may not believe. So what? They believe in visible objects. Me too. I'm a theist. I believe in God. I believe in some power, some color, some structure, some shape, some idol. Okay, any God can do. But don't be caught in between. Don't be caught in between what Sri Aurobindo says, faith and unfaith. No. If you believe in God, Hanuman, believe him. Saraswati, believe her. Goddess Durga, believe her totally. Surrender. The more you surrender, the more you render. The more you render, the more you enjoy. Surrender. When a mother is surrendered to baby, her baby. So also her baby is surrendered to her mother. This is yoga. As you surrender to your teacher, teacher surrenders to you. That surrender is also yoga. What Sri Aurobindo says, surrender totally unconditional. I am speaking. You are listener. If you surrender me properly, I can tell you something perfectly. Provided I must also surrender to the listener. As a speaker, I must surrender to the listener. A listener in turn must surrender to the speaker. This is also yoga. Bhasha yoga, Sambhashana yoga. So that's a big subject. Okay, so spiritual fitness. Maybe you read Gayatri Mantra, anything? Hanuman Chalisa, anything? or mandir, mosque you go to. Namaz, perfect to do it. Perfect you can do it. Church, pray to God. Pray to God. Christ, yes, any God. So what I'm suggesting as yoga master, believe in your own God honestly, sincerely, without any shaky nature between faith and unfaith. Believing is believing. I tell you once again, believing is believing. Believing is believing. There is a relief in belief. That belief is life. Okay, fine. And finally, cosmological fitness, seventh one. What is cosmological fitness? You are fit well in the nature, the entire limitless cosmos. So this is Sapta Yoga fitness for your integral personality, which I have been researching, doing sadhana for 40 years.